That's a very good question. Let me answer why the performance has been so dismal. Okay, stock market is nothing but a mechanism to price growth, right? That we all know. It's very, very basic. What do you mean by growth? Growth means growth in earnings of companies, right? If you see last 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, आप हर साल देख लें तो between 0 and 5% आपकी corporate earnings growth है, correct? Now, question is ये क्यों है? Why is it only 0.0 to 5%? Reason is very simple. There is no inflation. If there is no inflation, तो कंपनियों के टॉप लाइन जो हम देखते हैं सेल्स ग्रोथ, वो तो नॉमिनल टर्म्स में हमेशा मेजर होते हैं साहब. It's never real. It is always nominal. Correct? So, if a company has to grow 15% in nominal terms top line, तभी bottom line 15 नहीं तो 14 नहीं तो 16, 17 grow करेगा. All in nominal terms. When your nominal GDP growth is hardly, you would say 7-8%, you cannot have corporate profit growth which is 16-17%. It's not possible. More or less corporate profit growth will be plus minus 2% of the nominal GDP. That is broadly the statistic. Correct? अगर आपने nominal GDP growth को ही इतना कम कर दिया है कि 5-7%, 8% चल रहा है, तो 8% your corporate earnings cannot compound at 15-17%. If corporate earnings don't compound at 15-17%, then how can market compound at 15-17%? Therefore, market is compounded at 5% or 6%, which is around what your real, your nominal GDP growth has been plus minus 2%. That is the reason why. I've always said this, India needs some inflation for growth to come. We cannot follow the Western model कि inflation को near zero रखो तो ही ठीक होगा. हमारी पूरी country inflation पे ही चलती है साहब, पूरा rural economy inflation पे चलता है. आप देखिए तो the best period of growth was 2004 to 14. उसमें कभी inflation 2% नहीं था. The inflation was more like 7-8%. हम हाहाकार मचाया हमने बेशक, लेकिन equity market के वो return हमने आज तक कभी नहीं देखे उसके बाद.
Right, sir.
Corporate profit compounding 15-20%, market भी चला उतना. So the point is, to answer your question, when you killed inflation, you killed growth. In short, when you kill growth, your market is only reflection of that. Therefore, you've not made any returns from mutual fund investment. Which brings us to the second point, which you had mentioned, that the whole mantra has been and marketed aggressively is that mutual fund sahi hai. Correct? कि मतलब it's only equity में डालो and you will have to wait 5 years, you will make money. हम तो 5-7 साल से बैठे हुए हैं. Not even FD returns have been made by people. Correct? Yes, it's the reality, and I'm nobody to say anything wrong. The data is very, very clear. The point is that in the same period, other asset classes have done very well. Like for example, for an Indian, gold has done very, very well. Right? Done phenomenal. This year itself, equity markets are down 10-15% as we speak right now. Gold is up nearly 30%.
Yes, sir.
So the point is, in an allocation pie chart, ये हमें marketing कर के, and as wealth manager, you should be very clear that equity पे हमारा पैसा बन जाता है, but is it always the right thing for the investor?
Right, sir.
Ultimately, साहब आपका business हमारा business तब है अगर investor है. अगर investor नहीं है, तो हम ये कहानियां गड़गड़ के कब तक चलेंगे? So the point is, we must be honest in our advice that this year may not be that good for equities. We might be wanting to allocate the pie chart a little differently, and that allocation is not an easy thing that आप suddenly बोल दो कि आप pull कर दो इसमें pull कर दो. This year, for example, GSECs have returned nearly. If you take a GSEC fund, that has done the best of all the debt funds, right? So in our PMS, we have one asset allocation PMS, which has done phenomenally well. Even in this month, by the way, in this month, जो जुलाई का महीना निकला, we are up 6% in that fund, and उसमें equity सिर्फ 40% है हमारे पास.
Okay.
आप समझिए, तो volatility नहीं है and return बनता है. So the point is, as a wealth manager, wealth advisor, you must start practicing, coaching, preaching the mantra of asset allocation, because most returns come from the top-down correctness of your pie chart. अगर आपका पाई चार्ट सही था, तो उसके पाई चार्ट के अंदर में आपने और क्या-क्या शेयर लिए, उससे बहुत ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है साहब. You see the point? Get the top down right, then the bottom part will 70-80% पैसे बनेंगे getting the top down. 20% पैसे बनेंगे बॉटम पे आपने शेयर कितने अच्छे अच्छे लिए।